Welcome everyone, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and in this video I'm gonna show you best tricks for beginners on this device, so enjoy watching! Well, as a trusted source in smartphone tutorials, I was working with this smartphone for a little while and with also all of the major brand smartphones, and I can tell you all of the beginners features on this smartphone that you should know about after first activation of this device. If you are a fresh user and you wish to know about all of these functions that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 gives to you, then you should watch this video. At first let me open the settings and then move at first to the battery. You should scroll down and activate the show battery percentage. It's very good option. We all likes to see the exact battery percentage that we have on our smartphone, not only looking at the icon because it's not comfortable. So yeah, you should enable this one, and then let's move on straight to the display. Here you can do a lot of things, and I will talk for a while about these functions here. Let's move to the first one, which is light mode and dark mode. You can change it manually like me right now, or you can get into the dark mode settings and schedule it from sunset to sunrise, or choose a custom schedule and set the exact time after which your device turn on or off the dark mode. I don't like using the scheduled dark mode. I like to change it manually, but it's only my preferences. You can do whatever you want, of course. After that we have a brightness, and it's the same way with dark dim. You can turn on adaptive brightness and let your device detects the lights around you and set up the brightness for you in a best way. So if you are in a dark room, then brightness will be low. If you are outside during the shiny day, then it will be maximum brightness. But what's now good about it, you can turn on the extra brightness, and I tell you what, if you are outside and you can't see anything on your display and you have the brightness on the maximum level, then you can quickly enable this option and it gives you the extra brightness, and trust me, you will see everything on the display and it won't be a problem anymore. How can you quickly enable this option? You can open the tab menu, unroll your section with ties with quick access to the features. Here you should of course not here. Open the tab menu and tap and hold your finger on the brightness slider. That gives you access to these three options here, so you will be able to enable the extra brightness. The difference is huge. You should know about this. So yeah, that is it. Now let's move on to the next thing, and it is motion smoothness. I think it's the most important feature in these settings because it actually changed the usage of this smartphone. So you have two options, the adaptive and the standard one. For your information, the standard option gives you refreshing rate up to 60 Hz, and this is a very low amount. Old smartphones does have the 60 Hz refreshing rate. For newest smartphones, the adaptive option gives you 120 Hz, which is a very good amount for smartphones these days. Of course, you will get the smoother animation, and scrolling will be looking better, smoother. So you can see it on the preview here. On the left, there is no hangs or lags. On the right, well, I don't know why, but it was not working. Now it is. So we can see the difference between two options. Trust me, you should get the adaptive option here. So let's get back to the previous page, and you should take a look on these two settings, accidental touch protection, you should enable it. If you miscall someone from a bag or the pocket in your life, then you know about this problem and it won't happen anymore. If you activate this option, it protects your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place such as a bag or pocket. Very good option to have. Also the second option here, touch sensitivity, increases the touch sensitivity of the screen for using with screen protectors. If you have one, then activate this option. Of course it will increases your touch sensitivity. I think it's a very good option, and all of the major brands should use this also future. What's next? You should get back to the main page of the settings and now move on to the advanced features. Here you should know about the side button. Here you have two options, double pressing the power button, I mean this side key here, opens quickly the camera, so if you have to quickly capture the picture or I don't know, record some videos, you see some wild animal outside and you wish to memorize it, then you have to of course get as quick access to your camera as possible. You just need to, even if your screen is locked, you just need to double press the power button and boom, your camera is on. It takes only, I don't know, half of a second, a very quick way. Now long pressing the power button gives you access to the digital assistant by Google or digital assistant by Samsung. It's called Bixby, or you can just open the power off menu, choose your method here. I think you should enable this option and use a digital assistant by Google, but it's only my preferences. You should make your own decision. So after that, if you are a user of two accounts in Facebook, I don't know, WhatsApp, maybe Messenger and Instagram, then you should know about this option here. It's the last option in the advanced features. It gives you access to copy the Facebook and rest of applications I told you. You can make a copy of this application and use two different accounts on your original and copied application, so you don't need to always log in on different account on the same application. It is boring and it takes a lot of time, if you told me. So now if I enable this option here for Facebook, I can look for my app drawer and type the Facebook. I can see these two applications here, the original one and the copy of it. So I can log in on two different accounts and use it at the same time. Very good option. Now let's move on, get back to the previous page and move to the general management, because if you didn't if you set up the wrong language, or I don't know, date and time, or your current time zone, then in these settings you can change it. You can get into the language, you can add your desired language. You can use two languages, depends on your preferences of course. Now you can change date and time and do whatever you need from these settings that you missed in the first activation process. Now for the last thing, you should get into the lock screen and AOD, which is always on display settings. You should get into the screen lock and biometrics and set up a screen lock for your device. We all need to protect our data. We have a lot of data that thief can use against us. So what have you do is choose one or two methods to set screen lock for your device. For me, the best way is pattern and face recognition and fingerprints, but you can do whatever you want. Make sure that you choose at least one way to protect your device. I think that would be all for the beginner Of course, I can show you two more things. Well, if you see this bar here, this is the edge panel. If you open this by sliding to the other side of your screen, then you will have a quick access to a few applications or features. You can change it by pressing this pencil here, and you can add or remove the ties here. You can also click here on the gear icon to get into the special settings for the edge panel. You can change here the theme of your edge panel. You can change the handle. You can change the position or from the right to left, lock handle positions, change that style, transparency, size, everything you need. Of course, you can show it on the main and cover screens, only for main screen or only for cover screen. And that was it. Or you can turn it on or off completely. If you want to get rid of it, then you should get here and just turn off this option. And for the last thing I should show you is the tab menu. You can see the quick access for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, modes, nearby devices, smart view, some music, brightness, the volume, and of course these ties with quick access to the features. You can see it all here if you unroll this section here. So if you want to get some features here, you can change it and drag your ties. I will show you. At first click this pencil and then press here to edit your tab menu. Then you can press on these icons here to remove it from your tab menu, or you can just drag from the bottom available buttons to your tab menu. You can change the position of it, rearrange your whole tab menu. I like, for example, have always in a second row the take screenshot tile. If you are done and you finish organize your tab menu, then you have to press done at first and the second time, and then boom, you have your fresh tab menu in a way that you wish to use it. Well, for sure, now it's over. I think you should leave a comment if you like this video, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!